All right, behind me, I've got the 2026 Jayco 265 VHS. I can't wait to show it to you guys. If you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. Let's go. Okay, we are gonna do a tour of the inside first. And stay tuned though, because we're gonna do a tour of the whole outside. But first thing you're gonna notice when you walk into this unit, very different layout. And I personally really like this layout. So before we even get too far, right, we've got the sink and some great counter space right there. Some great cabinets in front. And then over to the left here, we have these great little cubbies. So shoes, dog leashes, wallets, accessories, whatever you're thinking there. As we walk in, just kind of give you a broad overview first so you can kind of see the different layout. You got bunks over there, spot for the TV. As we come around the corner here, private bedroom. All right, before I get into all the details of this unit, please let me know down in the comments below what you either like, dislike, want to see going forward, or what you don't need to see. All right, back at it, and let's start at the back of the camper here. So we've got our double bunks. These are 600-pound capacity. That's best in the industry. Up top, you're going to have your vent, your lights, USB-C, regular USB. Come down below, you're going to have plugs and lights. And then you've got the lift-up section down here as well. So you can easily lift that up, store some bigger items, maybe bikes or something. Directly across, we're going to head right into the bathroom. This is a really sizable bathroom for this unit. So you got some great storage here, right? Maybe shampoo bottles, towels, I don't know, whatever you need. Toilet, sink, and then again, the shower is huge. You've got a skylight up there, which is going to give you the extra headspace. And then down below, again, Jayco is going to frame all of their shower pans. Just give you a little extra support so that J-trap doesn't come loose. You do have the vent up top, mirror, not just a mirror, nice little good sized vanity. And then right here, you can see you've got your thermostat for your Suburban tankless water heater. All right, coming out here, we've got our fold out bed. So we've got plenty of storage down below. As campers, we always tend to have a lot of things. I know we do in ours. And again, this is easy. One just flips right out. And then to put back up, I'm doing this all with one hand right now. And then you've also got the center that comes down for some cup holders. And bigger windows on this 26 unit, which is really great. Push button lighting above. USB, USB-C over there as well to charge your phones. We've got our 12-volt fridge, stove, oven, range cover there. See the inside, freezer area. Down below in the fridge. Great storage in this kitchen. That's one thing I really like. All Jayco quality, all wood cabinetry, residential hinging. Again, looking over here at the sink, great storage. Shelving down below, great room for down below a sink. You can even probably put a trash can there, which always seems to be a bugaboo in any kind of camper. Drawers, which everyone's always looking for. You can put your silverware. Then even more storage up top on each side of the microwave. As we swing around here, we do have the table, goes down into the bed. We've got a spot up there for your TV. And something that isn't coming in all these units anymore, you still got the AM FM, which is great. Because hey, not all of us are getting signal everywhere we're camping. More storage on the other side. Again, huge viewing window when you're having breakfast, maybe a dinner. Tons of storage over here by the bunks. Again, I really love this. If you're bringing the kids along or you're bringing anyone along, it actually gives them somewhere to store everything. Put all their clothes, maybe toys, games, even towels from the bathroom. And one thing that I missed over here is you've still got USB and USB-C as well. So try to put that everywhere. You do have the blinds. And then something new on 2026s, they put the same cloth that is in the North Point and Pinnacle in the JayFlights now, which is really awesome. So not only did Jayco already have great quality and they're avoiding the cracking and peeling. But now they've just upgraded to an even higher quality in their lower models. Just Jayco again, trying to be better than the competition. As we come around the corner here, again, I talked about it at the beginning, the cubbies. I love this. Shoes, leashes, bug spray, whatever you need. And then another big one when you're with the family is having the private bedroom. So not only is this private bedroom, but you have a walk around, which is not easy to find in some of these units, especially bigger units that with families. You've got your TV mount up at top there. It is wired for solar. Storage in each side of the cabinets there. And then underneath the bed, tons of storage underneath the bed again, and strutted. Oh, in plywood, not OSB. Just another statement of their quality. As we come out here, we have our lighting, we have our slide, awning, and then you've got two gray tanks, black, fresh, and obviously your battery. Guys, that's an overview of the inside. Oh, almost forgot to tell you about Coleman Mach AC unit. Head out down the solid steps. You're not going to see that on every stick and tin. Come around here, you're going to have your pass-through, your tinted windows. Don't forget about that 2-year Jayco warranty, 2 full camping seasons. Come across the side here, obviously the door, huge window, outdoor kitchen. We'll kind of look at that here in a second. Then up above, massive awning with light. Let's go down here to the outside kitchen. Oh, don't forget about the speakers up there. You gotta have tunes while you're out camping. Obviously, tires down below. All right, so Jayco's giving us kind of a pseudo outside kitchen right now. So we've got our small little adult beverage fridge. Got a plug in the back so you can hook something else up out here. You have a little switch. Give yourself a little light. It is a blue light, so it doesn't attract bugs. And then you've got a huge drawer. I love this because you usually have, like, I don't know, utensils, tongs, covers for your outside table. Then as you come across the back here, on the rear bumper, you've got a bracket. That is to hook on a support and your griddle. And then you've got your LP connection back here as well. So you've kind of got this like L setup, which at first I wasn't a fan of, but honestly thinking about it, when you're standing here, it's great to have the grill off to your left, have some space to, you know, put out your steaks or kebabs or, you know, veggies or whatever else you're putting on the Blackstone. And then obviously be able to get a drink. Oh, and magnets, not those plastic things that break as soon as you go to flap down the top. Come around the back here, you got that Suburban tankless hot water heater again. That's a 30 amp plug on this unit. Spare. Up top, you've got provisions for a wireless camera. You've got the ladder connection there to get yourself a ladder. And then that Magnum truss roof holding up to 4,500 pounds. Come around the side here. Do have the stabilizer jacks. You got your black tank down below. Gray water holding tank. And then this is a rack and pinion slide. Outside shower. Cable TV input. City water connection. Black tank flush. Then speaking of the slide, you do have a 7-inch laminated header beam on these. Jayco does that, so these don't lose their square over time. Come around. This right here, this is to get into your fridge. Just another great access point. Other side of your slide. Obviously, you got the TPO lining up top. You've got your power jack, 2 propane tanks, 20 pounds, and then you've got the integrated frame, which is awesome. Just adds some structure and rigidity. You look next door here to this other camper, you can see down below there, if I zoom in, that is not connected. That can be a failure point over time. So very important to have that. Finish up with some specs and pricing. So again, this is the Jayco 265 BHS. This is a 2026 unit. It's got one slide, sleeps 6. It's 30 feet long, weighs 6,000 pounds. This is a perfect half-ton towable unit. You've got your outside kitchen, awning, that Jayco quality with a 2-year warranty. Can't beat this thing. Come on down to Apache Village in either Hazelwood or Wentzville and take a look at one today.